Hello YouTube. I'm sorry about my absence. I will get to that momentarily, but first, I'm going to introduce this 60-inch Encon Crumpton Greaves High Breeze. Although I know it is one because I've seen these types before. I can tell by the motor housing, the blades particularly. But now I'm going to cut to the chase about my absence before I get started. So, I lost my phone about a few weeks ago, and I couldn't find it anywhere. Fortunately, my sister found it in somewhere, and it was embarrassing because I didn't think to look there. And I'm kind of happy for her. But now, I'm gonna get started on low speed. One minor note, this ceiling fan does not spin as fast as the others around the house. But I will still display it anyway. Now, something to note, above the motor, that's where the Crompton Greaves logo would be located. Henceforth, another reason how I know it's an Encon Crompton Greaves High Breeze. I think that's the fastest it's gonna go at low speed at this point. Let's move it up. I have a prediction this is middle speed. Okay, the buzz is faint. And now we're at high speed at this point. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Click that bell to stay notified, like and subscribe, and be honest about what you do. Anyway, remember, life has no limit, so do something new today. See you later, everyone. Hopefully I'll publish more often. Alright, this is going to be a video of this 52-inch TAT Windward. Now, this is the only American ceiling fan that's in the house, or at least that's how I consider it. You might remember in the last video, I did a video of my Encon Crompton Greaves High Breeze in my room. Well, this is a new ceiling fan demo I'm doing. This is a TAT Windward. You can see that on the thingy right there, the cup says TAT. Without any further delay, I am going to get things started. I'm not supposed to show things around my house, so I'm keeping it on the ceiling fan specifically, under the exception of the switch. We're gonna get started on the low speed. Minor note, I will display the sound and mix in that it turns on to high speed in just a minute. I have shakiness, so I apologize for that. Without any further delay, let's get this started. Okay, that's slow speed. Let's start moving up. I predict that this is a middle speed. I think I went a little too high. Or middle high. And high speed. It's very noisy, but it's very powerful. We may need to fix the noise, but still make it powerful at the same time. I predict I'm getting down to middle speed. I think this is middle speed. So, yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe. Be honest about what you do. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to put it down in the comments below. And remember, life has no limits, so do something new today. Stay tuned, everybody. Hey, everybody. So I said in the last video that I displayed the sound during the demo. Unfortunately, I cannot catch that because I was too caught up in the demo to actually display the sound. And the sound now, I'm going to get to in just a sec. But for now, my reason now, I am decided to split this into a two-part. 1, the demo. 2, the sound. You are currently watching part 2. I might put part 1 down in the link if you can't find it. But aside from that, let's get to the sound. Now, it might be something in the little canopy up at the top that's supporting the ceiling fan and the grappling hook that it hangs on. It must be something in there that causes it to make the sound when activated on a high speed here. On the wall control, it's a Crompton Greaves wall control. My landlord really likes the vintage stuff. Ergo, people used to rely on ceiling fans back in the olden days. Ergo, which is why they're all here. Without any further delay, I am going to display the sound. In case you didn't hear it, I'll repeat it. And now for the final time. Yep. So now, when it comes to the higher speed, you can hear it loud and clear. But as you get lower, the more faint it becomes. So, yeah. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to put it in the comments below. Follow my 3 rules, and stay safe. And thank you all. And remember, life has no limits, so do something new today. Stay tuned, everybody. Hopefully I have more coming up. What up, family, friends, faithful followers? As promised, the R&R Flomax Gold Line. I recently found out that this was a gold line, like one of those EnviroFan thingies. I dedicate this video to my 5-month anniversary. 5 months ago, I released my first YouTube video with just a phone and a script to follow. Since then, I have hit 40 subs, and it was all thanks to you guys. Thank you all for your support. Please continue to support me to go even beyond 54 subs as of today. Who knows, with this video I may even reach 100 subs. Let's try to make that our goal for this video, but be honest about it. Here's a better view of the brand. Allow me to draw your attention to the 5-speed wall control. Very well, let's get this thing running starting at 1. And here we go. let's move forward. I'm starting to hear a little bit of noise in the fan and a lot of airflow. And now, maximum power. Okay, let's deactivate this before papers start flying. And that's it. Like, subscribe, follow my 3 rules, click the bell to stay notified, and continue to support me, please. And thank you all for supporting me. Remember, out of honesty, subscribe. Our goal is 100 subs, if we can make it. What up, family, friends, faithful followers? Introducing the 56-inch Bahaj Regal. Now, like the R&R Flow Max last time, it is white, 3-bladed, 56 inches, and the brand is displayed on the downrod canopy. And they are both manufactured in India. And of course, they're on wall control. But unlike the last one, it's on a 4-speed wall control. Now let us begin. The startup is slow. We're genuinely at half its power now. There's a lot of airflow going on right now. More airflow than the TAT Windward or the R&R Floral I did. You know what's so funny about this ceiling fan? It barely wobbles. Like, more barely than the TAT Windward. And now, maximum power. Yeah. So that's it. Like, subscribe, click the bell to stay notified, and remember, life has no limits, so do something new today. What up, family, friends, faithful followers? I know it has been a while since my last demo on account that I was moving, and a couple of days after I got here, I was trying to settle in, but now I am happy to get back to work with these demos, and I will feature the rarely talked about, but fully functional, Harbor Reef's Calera 1st Gen. We'll take care of the downrod canopy a little later. For now, let's get to work. Unlike the ceiling fans you have seen so far already, these ones can reverse direction. They also come with a light kit compared to what you've seen so far, and I will demonstrate both the light kit and reverse direction, starting with the light kit. As you can see, this does work. Alright, let's crank this baby up to high speed. Granted, it's a bit noisy and wobbles. Okay, so I have some unfortunate news. I just found that the winter setting on this thing does not work, but on the summer setting it will work, so I'll have to deal with what's there. Starting on high speed. To reiterate, granted that it is noisy and wobbly and a little rusty, but still beautifully functioning. Another thing in comparison, hangs on a little ball instead of the grappling hook like you've seen so far. Let's crank this guy down to middle speed. And now to low speed. Another thing, compared to what you've seen so far, this thing uses pull strings. I mean pull chains. Arborree's logo is visible on the motor housing. And yeah, like, subscribe, click the bell to stay notified, and remember, life has no limits, so do something new today. That said, thank you all for support over the time, and I'll have some more coming your way very soon. What up, family, friends, faithful followers? I'm standing here in my local Ace Hardware, and you won't believe it, but there are these spinners that are populating the area. There's another one down right there. This one's in a black finish, and the majority of these appear to be brass finish. Except for this one, too. This one's also in a black finish. And that's all of the ones I can find. Remember, like, subscribe, click the bell to stay notified, and you'll be okay. Also, life has no limit, so do something new today. cooler around here. I'm good for now. Okay. Yeah. I'm catching all the ceiling fans.
That's all right. Hoffman, Hoffman.
Here they got some nice Harbor Breeze Helix 2nd Gen ceiling fans here. Oh, let's keep going this way. There's some more in the back as you further progress. In case you're wondering, there used to be one right here. The down rod, however, still remains. Straight row of the Harbor Breeze Helix 2nd Gens. Let's keep moving to this side. Yeah. Let's keep going this way. The helixes. There are some more helixes in the back. Let's see if I can catch those. Shoot. This is gonna be hard. Here we go, there's one of the two. They got some nice ceiling fans here at the farmer's market. Although I've said before I don't see the Hampton Bay Landmark ceiling fan anymore. I'm seeing it now, it's just I don't see them in many other areas anymore. So it still counts as I don't see anymore. This one has replacement blades.
not here today,